In this video, I'm going to show you how to add full reel to Instagram story. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. Go to the reel you want to share. Click on the share icon, usually at the bottom right of the reel. Tap copy link to get the reel link that go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and search for Repost for Instagram. Post story. Install the app. It's usually free. Open the Repost for Instagram app, and it should prompt you to allow it to paste the copied link. Once the link is pasted, the reel will load within the app. Click on the Repost button in the app. The app may ask for permission to access your gallery to save the reel. Once saved, it will give you the option to repost it directly to Instagram. Choose the story option. Instagram will open, and you can select to share the full-length reel in your story. Customize if needed, and post.